Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will teach you how to do a tile based movement. So we will use this tile behavior which comes with constructor. So first of all we will use this tile background. So here I have taken a tile background and I have resized it to 64 by 64, and so this is just a green color with a black border, and I have stretched it out to fill my entire layout. And this is a sprite called player. So it has got this behavior. It has got two behavior. One is scroll to, just so that I can follow my player, and another one is tile movement. So in this tile movement behavior, the grid width, it came, I think, by with 32 by 32 as default. I change it to 64. Also this grid offset x and grid offset y, it should be 32 because my tile background, each grid is of 32 pixel, sorry, it is of 64 by 64. So naturally I need the player to be at the center, so I set the offset to be 32 by 32, provided the player's origin is in the center. So I did not change the player's origin, it's at the center. So let's see the result. So I'm using my arrow keys to move, and as you can see it is having a tile behavior. And this is a great thing about constructor, it comes out of the box, so I do not need to do any coding. So as you can see I did not do anything, my event sheet is empty, so I did not do anything. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.